Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're tired of struggling with surface stains from coffee, tea, or even that post-lunch chocolate, today's review is right up your alley. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip for keeping your smile radiant and healthy. We're looking at the Oral-B Pro 100 Charcoal, a battery-powered electric toothbrush in sleek black. This brush comes with charcoal-infused bristles designed to tackle stains while being gentle on your gums. Its cup-shaped bristles promise to remove discoloration from everyday drinks, aiming for a whiter, cleaner smile. Plus, it comes with 2 AA batteries, giving consistent power from the start, and it's compatible with a range of Oral-B brush heads like CrossAction, Sensitive Gum Care, FlossAction, and 3D White. Using it has been surprisingly smooth. The toothbrush feels sturdy in hand, and the ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver along all areas of the mouth. The charcoal bristles have a soft but effective texture, firm enough to lift stains, yet gentle enough not to irritate sensitive gums. I've tried it morning and night over several weeks, and I noticed a subtle brightening effect, particularly along the edges of my teeth where staining usually lingers. It's simple to incorporate into a daily routine, and I appreciated that the brush heads are easy to swap, especially if you like customizing your oral care experience. On the plus side, it's very user-friendly and effective at reducing surface stains. The battery life is consistent, and it's compatible with multiple brush heads, making it versatile. However, the brush doesn't have any additional features like timers or multiple vibration modes, which some higher-end electric brushes offer. Also, while it removes surface stains, it won't replace professional whitening treatments if you're looking for dramatic results. In terms of value, this is a solid choice for anyone looking for an affordable, reliable electric toothbrush with the added benefit of charcoal bristles. For its price, you're getting consistent cleaning power and the flexibility to use different brush heads without needing a more expensive charging base. Compared to similar battery-powered brushes, the charcoal infusion gives it a slight edge if surface whitening is your goal. The build feels robust, and the simple battery system makes it easy to maintain without fussing over charging. Since it's battery-powered, you won't have to worry about it dying mid-brush, and the design should last through regular use without showing wear too quickly. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Oral-B's reputation for customer service is solid, and while I haven't had to reach out directly, they're known for handling inquiries and replacement needs reliably. If budget is a concern, there are other battery-powered options on the market with similar features, though few come with the charcoal bristle benefit at this price point. If you want something fully rechargeable with multiple brushing modes, higher-end Oral-B models, or Sonicare options could be worth considering. In summary, the Oral-B Pro 100 Charcoal is a practical, effective toothbrush for anyone looking to maintain a brighter smile and improve oral hygiene without investing in an expensive device. It's particularly suited for people who enjoy the simplicity of battery operation, but still want that gentle surface stain removal. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to grab this toothbrush is in the comments and description box. If you've tried it, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.